Now, the operator of South Korea's stock markets decided on Monday to allow traders to resume buying and selling shares of Samsung Biologics. And that's exactly what investors started doing about an hour ago. For more, we connect to our business correspondent Kim Hyesung, who joins us on the line. Hyesung, just start by telling us more about this ruling on Monday.
Right, Mark. So the Korea Exchange said yesterday that Samsung Biologics is qualified to continue trading on the benchmark KOSPI. The ruling comes after the bio arm of Samsung Group had been suspended since November 14th after the Financial Services Commission said the company deliberately overstated the value of its affiliate Samsung Bio ahead of its IPO in 2016, which raised about $2 billion. The Korea Exchange's Corporate Review Committee concluded yesterday that there are some concerns about management transparency, but said it took into account Samsung Biologics' business outlook, revenues, and profitability to keep it listed on the KOSPI, and another reason to protect the interest of investors. The ruling comes earlier than expected as the deadline for the decision on whether or not to allow trading had been set for December 31st. But then keep in mind that although it's back on KOSPI, the legal battle with Korea's financial watchdog is still ongoing. The FSC accused Samsung Biologics of accounting fraud, and Samsung Biologics denied any wrongdoing and has filed an administrative lawsuit against that.
So, Hyesung, we now know that Samsung Biologics resumed trading. It happened around 60 minutes ago. So the question on everyone's lips is, how is it looking?
Well, shares of Samsung Biologics soared 20% compared to the session before it was suspended, trading at about $360 per share as of 10 a.m. This comes as market uncertainties have been removed. Again, in the worst-case scenario, Samsung Biologics could have been removed from the stock market or be given a probation period before it's allowed back to the trading floor. As for Samsung Biologics, it welcomed the ruling and in a statement said it would strengthen its internal control system and plan to prove the legitimacy of its accounting methods. And given it's the 8th biggest firm in market cap on the KOSPI with a market cap of $19.5 billion, it also helps lift Korea's biosector shares and the KOSPI. But then again, the legal battle with the financial authorities remain a risk factor and we'll have to watch that. So that's all I have for now. Back to you, Mark.